Hi, it's me again. I wanted to go over this week's assignment because I want to make sure that you're absolutely clear about going through the assignment instructions and what you're supposed to do. So if you take a look at this assignment page that I downloaded from our course, it says this assignment focuses on your ability to research academic and reliable sources and then translate that information from those sources into a cohesive piece of writing. And by that, you're responding creatively to artwork. You can read the purpose of completing this assignment later so that you can understand the relevance of doing this particular assignment. But what I want to focus on right now is what the prompt is asking you to do. So it's saying find a famous work of art or famous photograph and complete the following. You're going to include a pasted picture of the painting or the photograph. You're going to research the artist and the painting or photograph and write a history in your own words. Okay? And note that you must use in-text citations. So take a look at that APA PowerPoint that I shared with you. And then the final thing you're going to do is create an original response poem that uses imagery to describe the artwork and your reaction to it. So there are some very specific instructions here that I want you to take a look at. Make sure that you go step by step. You're going to cut and paste a picture of your famous work of art or your photograph. The next thing you're going to do is research and write a history of that piece of art and the artist in your own words. Okay, making sure to include in-text citations. And then finally, you're going to create a descriptive poem that uses imagery to provide a visual description of your chosen artwork and, of course, your reaction to it. Now, there's a note there that you need to also make note of. It says your poem needs to be at least 14 lines. Remember, in writing poetry, that not all poems need to rhyme, okay? The important skill here is to use imagery in order to describe the artwork and the author. There's some requirements that I don't want you to skip over. This paper must be 2 to 3 pages. That is excluding the pasted picture and your title page. So the text, the information that you have created will be 2 to 3 pages. Okay, you're writing 2 to 3 pages. Your research section should be double spaced, written in Times New Roman 12-point font, 1-inch margins, all of the things that you already know about APA. Your in-text citations will be needed and they must match your list of references on that final page. And obviously you want to be careful about plagiarism. When you take a look at the rubric, I think it's a good idea to take a look at the rubric and the assignment before you start writing, and then once again after you've written and before you upload it. So each of you will want to be in the meets expectations category or the satisfactory category. So when you look at this rubric, you know that in order to get points for satisfactory or meets expectations, your paper needs to contain related quality paragraphs, thought-provoking narrative, or have writing that is purposeful and focused. And you can read the rest of that. If you go through with the integration of research, the response to the poem, the last category is grammar mechanics, and then finally APA format. Make sure that you read the assignment closely and that you read the rubric closely, okay? If I can be of any help, I am available by phone call, by email, or of course we can meet for office hours, okay? Just let me know how I can assist you. I hope you're having a great week and I will see you later. Bye-bye.